Alright, I'm too exhausted to show you anything but my nighttime routine right now, but as a Christian, this is the fit of the day. I'm actually obsessed with it. I really like it. And this is a mess that I left this morning. I love makeup, but I don't really wear it during the week as much unless I'm going out. But today I actually wanted to film some TikToks for you. And it didn't really work out as well as I wanted it to, which is why I'm showing you how I'm removing the makeup instead. Aesthetic. It's time to get real. I'm hosting Bible studies on Saturdays, and right now we're going over the book of Esther. We're using this Bible study right here. I like to read the Bible, go through the chapters that we're going to be studying, then I check with other Bible studies and commentaries and my opinions and prayers, and then I write down the script or the main idea that I'm going to share with everyone. This was not supposed to be the video. Let me try to focus, okay? If I do not prepare my gym bag, there's no way that I'm actually going to work out tomorrow. So let's try to do this. I got the gym bag, work bag, and the gym clothes right there. And I'm ready to go to bed.